out of the road. Well, I'm telling you, this road's the tires in the car like yours.
Where at?
Right down there when you're trying to go from the high school.
Alright. That's why I'm sitting there trying to get video now. Wow.
I think they gotta move them.
Get him for the bait.
Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, boy.
He's there, man.
218.
I'm upon a vehicle left the runway 1050 at a residence, 81 Dean Street, 81 Dean Street. K341, line on Dean Street, second house on the left past Barnes Street.